Everyone, in this video, I'll be showing you how to get heirloom puppet on Roblox. So first of all, go to in marketplace, and once you in the marketplace, now you have to filter it. First of all, click on recently created. When you click on recently created, you will get this heirloom puppet. If you don't see yet, so you can click on price 0 and maximum also 0. Just set it and click on go. Now we get all the free items that has been recently created. Just click on the heirloom puppet and get it. Get now. So yeah, that's how it looks. You can check it out. How it looks. We try on. So yeah, it looks like this. You can see. And yeah, that's it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.